Flowers only last for a short time before they fade. Once they fade, that can leave your garden look dull. These colorful foliages are capable to add color, texture and beautify the garden space in their own wonderful way. Please welcome to my channel. That's Mom's Passion. Bright and indirect sunlight is optimal and will help splash pink and different colors on the leaves of the plant. It's a great addition to the garden and never your garden will feel flowerless. This is another variety of Aglonema which is commonly called a Chinese evergreen. In second number comes the Christmas beauty or poinsettia. These tempting beautiful leaves attracts almost everyone's sight, including the tiny insects. In winter, it spreads its beauty with beautiful attractive color of leaves, and in summer, its green, bushy and glossy leaves adds green color to the garden. This is a variety of dracena which has attractive foliage. Just little to no care is needed to add a vibrant variegated green color to the garden. This is Dracena reflexa, though the leaves are thin, but similar variegation of greens definitely add a definition to the garden. The different colors of Dracena marginata is a magnificent indoor plant. The variegation of colors on leaves truly reminds us the colors of rainbow on the leaf. Pandanas is a perennial evergreen tree with thin and long variegated golden color leaves. Sometimes it creates confusion with the spider plants, but they are completely different in the vibrancy of the color of the leaves. Here is the spider plant, which is having more whitish color on the leaves than the golden colors of the pandanas. The multicolored plant draws anyone's attraction like a moth to a flame. The burst of colors in a single plant can be a great alternative to any flowering plant in the garden. The leathery leaves of varying colors, shapes and sizes will give a definition to the garden. The splash of multiple colors on the leaves are just like the jewels of leaves. The color definitely fades in the absence of sunlight. Please have a look of the same croton plant without any splashing of colors on the leaves. It was in the indoor location without any direct sunlight. The purple and the green combination color of wandering Jew not only makes your garden space beautiful but never makes you feel the absence of any flowering plants in the garden. These beautiful colliers comes in a mind-boggling array of solid and mixed colors, and these are very easy to grow. These beautiful plants not only adds color to the garden but also they add a great color to your mind and heart. You will never try to miss this plant from your garden. Snake plants no doubt adds a pretty addition to the garden with their variegated green and yellow combination of colors on the leaves. They are very unique air purifier as well. In the last comes the purple queen and the purple hearts. Throughout the year, it spread its beauty through the purple color leaves and the purple color flowers.